Good morning friends, myself Kakadi Sunil Rausai from Gokhale Education Society Pimpalgaon Baswan. Today now the new topic light and formation of shadow. First, what is by the light and formation of the shadow? There are different type of the light and their shadows are the difference. Then explain one by one. First, the what are the difference between an object and reflection? What causes of the difference? In which object do you see a reflection? What is the difference between an object and its reflection? What causes the difference? Let us see how light is reflected from three surfaces shown along sides. That means then the object do we see in the reflection, then one sides are the coatings or paint. Next, what is the difference between an object and its reflection? What causes the difference? Their explanation. Let's now see how lights is reflected from the three surfaces shown alongside. When you see your face is a mirror, the light reflected from your face fall on the mirror and get reflected back again. That is why you see in the image in the mirror. Do you see your image in the glass pane? You do. Although it the somewhat paint, no image will be seen at all the wooden surface. You may have seen your image form in the surface such as a new steel dish. The glossy granite claddings of all wall and the still water in the lake. Make a list of other similar surface. Compare the image see in them. Make a guesses about the property of surface due to which is an image form. Discuss this with your teachers and parents. That means first the object are observed in any mirrors, but why the object are observed in the mirrors or why the objects image are formation in the mirror, there are the different properties. That means let's see how light is reflected from three surfaces shown along sides. When you see your face in the mirror, what is by the mirror? Mirror means one sides are paint and another side is the smooth. That means glass, one side of the glass paint and formation of the mirrors. In these mirrors are your image are formation. That means the rays are reflected. Then another is the glass. Glass means the object are observed from other side. The rays are the penetrate. They do not reflected. It is known as a glass. In the glass, no observe in any mirrors other. The water in the water bath and this water are constantly in this water. Your image is observed. That means water are the constant doesn't move of this water. That means the ray are reflected and formation of the image in these waters. Then next example, the new glass or new dish or new iron plate, your image are the formation because most of the ray are reflected on this glass. Then the compare the image see them make the glass and mirror different type of the property. In the glass, opposite side object are the observed and in the mirror your image are the formation. Stand in front a plane mirror and look at your image in it. Raise your right hand. Which hand of the mirror image is raised? What change do you see in the image if you decreases or increases your distance from the mirror? Is there any difference between your height and height of the mirror image? Yes. The left and right side of the original object appears to be exchanged is the mirror image. The image is and behind the mirror as the object is the front of it. The size of the image is the same as that of the object. That means which type of the shadow are the formation of any object. As the same, raise your right hand. Which hand of mirror image is raised? Yes, they totally depends upon object. What change do you see image of your decreases or increases your distance from the mirror? You and your distance from the mirror, they depends upon formation of your image in the mirror. That means your image or formation in the mirror, they totally depends upon the distance between you and mirror. That means any object which type of the image or formation in the mirror, their size decreases or increases. These size are totally depends upon the distance between object and the mirrors. Then next, the left and right side of the original object appear to be exchanged in the mirror image. That means there are the property of the mirror and object. A pinhole camera. Take a empty cylindrical box, remove its cap upon one sides and paste a thin white paper in its place. Make a small hole at the center of the other cap. Light a candle and hold the box in such a way that the flame of the candle is the front of the hole. Now you will see an upside down or inverted image of the flame on the thin paper the other end. Then observe the diagrams. 14.8 pinhole camera, that means thin paper, in the thin paper formation of the inverted image, then cap, hole of this cap and candle front of this cap or hole, then the image or formation of the thin paper. That means one use of the candle and this candle, then on the front of candle, then take the one cap and whole of this cap, then the image of thin paper are the formation, but the formation of the image in inverted. Why the inverted image are the formation of the thin paper? There are the properties of the image. That means candle front of the cap and state of the hole in the hole. Light are the pass on the thin papers and the candles are the inverted are formed. That means inverted image are the formation on the thin papers. What difference do you notice looking through windows in the pictures? What causes of the difference? Then the picture shows transparent windows, pane, spot them. Depending on the nature of the window pane, we may or may not see the object on the other side through it. Identify the transparent object and the translucent object from the among the following pieces of the glass: wax paper, then glass, oil paper, white plastic, tea kettle, a notebook, cloth, water, a wooden cupboard, sheet of a notebook. That means three windows. The two windows are transparent. Then observe the opposite side object. But one window is a wooden, they doesn't transparent. No opposite object are the same from the other side. That means the object are the observe or see to the opposite side because their two windows are the transparent. Then use of the glass, but one is a wood, they doesn't ray or pass through in this wooden, they the object doesn't observe or see to the opposite sides. Then the material through which is light passes is said to be the transparent, but one side the light are not passed through the wooden window. Then there are no transparent, that means no object or object on the other side. That means the transparent object means light are passed from the one side to another side. It is known as a transparent, that means opposite sides are seen. But non-transparent means the ray do not pass, then opposite side object doesn't see of this window.